In today's video, we're going to be looking at a way how we can duplicate our files either in our File Explorer or on our desktop. As you can see here, I want to duplicate this Office 365 image, and instead of pressing right click and copy and all that, we can just hold the Control key and then click and drag away, and we can create a copy. This will also work in a folder if you have one open here in our Explorer. We can copy and create another one there. It's as easy as that. Thanks for watching. Visit kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services.